All right, everybody. Welcome back. Another day on the bus. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put wood slots here, and I'm gonna do this section here, and then each one between the windows. So on this side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I already have all the measurements. And on this other side, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be different, and that I've already changed into a different way that I'm much more happier with. So, anyways, with that being said, let's go out to the shed and get started. What I've done is these are the two long pieces, one by the door and one in the kitchen on the corner. And what I have done is actually made a template and what I got to do. So my template, put that on, lock that in, get the height. Alright, there we go. Got the height. Let's do both of them. This one. I'm glad I only got 4 of these. And I think I just cut them wrong. And I did. Cut them wrong. Let's see if we can make it work. Try both of them. They look. Might have to cut a different one. I messed it up. Wasn't thinking. Cut the back side instead of the front side. Let's go see how it looks. If it looks good, the board's beat up on that side though, so I'll probably have to cut a new one. Let's see how it would look. It's the long one. Perfect length. That's perfect there. With that being that perfect, that's perfect. You know what? Get the sticker off. Put a good paint. We'll sand a little bit. Put a good coat of paint on it. There we go. Yeah, we'll sand that down a little bit. So that one works. Now, to the other side. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Put a coat of paint on that one too. I'm gonna stick them off to the side. Grab a paintbrush and we'll put a quick coat of paint on them. And we're gonna do the sides and the top on both because I'm not worried about the bottom because the trim underneath is white, so when I go to paint it, touch up will touch up. So you can see top, sides are painted. Let them sit dry. Let's head off to the shed. Now, the next two boards I do, they're gonna be fun because I'm gonna route out the middles of them. But I need to do that in here. We gotta get my little table and we gotta mark out the wood. Works pretty good when you can use that like a handle. Okay. Back. I don't know why I make it 10 times harder. But I can just go over here, clamp it from this side. Keep going. I'm liking this. Okay, move it around. Actually, really? So let's go to, let's find our paper. What do I do with that paper? Oh, there it is. All right. Let's cut the first one so we can go test it. First one. Well, since we're only get one, let's do a long one. 27 5/8. Ain't gonna matter. 27. Five eighths. All right, let's take it. Let's take it, test it. If it works and it's right, you can leave it over here, paint it, and measure the last one or the other 5 out. The dogs are out in the garden with Robin, which leads to the backyard, which leads to them trying to escape. All right, let's go put this up and test this one. Perfect. Perfect for what we're doing. So we'll take it out and paint. I'll go kit the rest. Then we'll come back in. Well, I'll paint the other ones. And I'll install. And we'll go from there. So I primed the boards up a little bit. Now here comes the fun part, what we're going to do. This is where that board's going. Now right here, as you can see in all these, are the little brackets that hold the window in. So what I did this, I routed it so it goes over. I'm going to take these completely off, and the wood's going to be the brace for the window. And I'm going to do that on, that's the way they're going to all be. So that means I can take all the screws out in this section. What I'm going to do, get that bracket off there first. Get that bracket off. So the bracket. So now it's a clean slate. But what I'm plan is now is I'm going to pre-drill the board, and I'm going to change from these little screws I just took out to these longer screws. And it should be long enough. But if they're not, I have a different board in the back. But you can see right here that they go over far enough. So they'll take the place of that. Let's make sure. Yep, there's that one. First one. Try another white one. I'm pretty sure I put 2 or 3 down here. But I have a whole bunch in the bag. And I'll seal down through there. Obviously, I got to paint it. Clean that up, look at that. Right down that edge, right up. Looks so cool. Now, let's go the other side where there's 6 screws. And they come out with a square bit. Okay, so they're in. Obviously, I drilled the holes on the wrong side, but I made it work. Got it in there. Looks good. Have to be stickler to see it. This one turned out good. The other ones are drying. Go check to see if any of them are done. I'll be right back. Okay, let's keep rolling around here. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. That side's done. Got that one behind the counter in the sink. And then got that one. We got this one. Now they just got to be painted. Which I have a tiny brush to do the sides and to do the front. Okay. Now when it comes to that part, I didn't think it was going to be that far off, but the thing is, silicone fills a hole really well. I'm not going to bore you with the paint job. Bedroom, that'd be another day. Main goal is to finish up this area because I got to paint these. I've got to that door. Paint them. Paint them. Paint them up. Be good to go there. Hi, look, if you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. See you on the next one.